Faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen.
Hey, come on up. Let me show you what I've been working on for the last 3 years. I'm Ken Kaplan, creator of the New England Motorcycle Museum. We purchased the Hakkana Mill. This is an 11-acre site with 10 buildings. There's over 150,000 square foot of space. So Rockville is a mill town, and it was abandoned since 1954. The first mill to go out of business was the Hakkana Mill, our mill. So for 7 decades, the business in this little city was gone. The town crumbled. So when we got here, the place was an absolute disaster. There was a lot of debris left behind. Local contractors actually used it as a dump.
You should have seen it when we got it. It was full of garbage. We must have pulled out 100 dumpsters full of garbage. We had a team of 15 guys working here for 3 months just on the cleanup.
So we've invested $5 million into the project so far. The project ran over budget by $265,000 due to circumstances out of our control. I've exhausted all my resources, so we're looking for the support and the help to get this landmark project done. We've already preserved this national landmark building, which is on the National Registry of Historic Places and the State Historic Parks list. Our next goal is to preserve motorcycle culture and motorcycle history for future generations. We want to share the passion of motorcycles with the whole world. We're going to start having bike nights here every Monday night. We're going to revive motorcycle culture right here in Rockville. We're also going to breathe a lot of life into this little forgotten city that had been all but abandoned 60 years ago when the textile industry went out of business. In addition to the Monday night bike nights, we're also going to have a motorcycle week here starting every summer, Memorial Day weekend.
So today, God has given us a visionary, a man with a real vision. If it comes to life, then it's like a dream come true, you know.
With your help, we can create the next Sturgis, the next Laconia, the next Daytona right here in the Northeast.
So if it's in your heart, if you're able, Ken is asking for a little help to finish this massive project.